Hey guys, it's Will here, Potato Strong, February 14th, 2018. So I thought I would show you guys a grocery haul I just got back. As you know, it's a starch-based diet. So, you know, you're gonna have staples hopefully around like potatoes, rice, beans, oats, pasta, stuff like that. But sometimes you need to buy some of those, sometimes you mostly need to buy other things like vegetables and fruit and stuff like that. So anyways, I'll just show you what I get. There's other options for you guys, but let's go through this. So we've got chickpeas. I've been putting this into an Indian dish with tofu and peas, garam masala and tomato paste, a little bit of non-dairy soy milk. Really good on rice. You can get canned black beans. These are no salt added, or I've also got frozen. These are great PC if you're in Canada, President's Choice, as well as kidney beans for chili. So these black beans I put in chili, burritos, soups, stuff like that. These are refried pinto beans. They're not really fried. There's no oil or anything. These are great for burritos, tacos, stuff like that. More chickpeas. Tomato paste I use for chili, pasta. Got a bunch of tomato paste. Diced tomatoes. I use these mostly for chili. That takes care of that. So I've got this kale, frozen chopped kale. Really convenient to throw into all sorts of things. Stir fries, smoothies, whatever. There's also one that has President's Choice, which has kale, spinach, and collard greens. That's pretty cool. I like this extra chunky salsa, President's Choice. It's just amazing. And there's no oil in this, but it's super tasty. And this one's hot, but they have medium and stuff too. This is a mixed vegetables. I throw that in soup, like if you use rice vermicelli or stir fries. But and you can also get broccoli, just a big bag of broccoli, florets for soup and stir fries, stuff like that. This is the soy milk I buy, unsweetened, organic, and it has protein, and obviously I've been drinking more soy milk now. Well, in my cereal, I got kind of tired of oatmeal, and smoothies as well. Sliced strawberries, I put those on my cereal, smoothies. So this is the natural peanut butter, and if you are starting out and you want to make sure you lose the weight that you have, extra weight, extra fat, you can limit this peanut butter, but because it's pretty high in fat. But I've noticed that it's filling if you have a sandwich or something. That at the end of the day, it's the calories in and out, but you definitely want to be careful with this. So they usually advise Dr. McDougall not to avoid peanut butter, especially at the beginning. But I've been able to manage it. I went for long periods of time without it, but and Bonnie's having this in the morning because she doesn't have a lot of time. She started work, so she doesn't have a lot of time to have cereal and stuff. So she'll put this on toast or something with jam as well. Grab this over here. So I got some fruit, bananas. You're always getting bananas going right fast. Roma tomatoes, green peppers. So Roma tomatoes and green peppers. Like green peppers I use in stir fries. Roma tomatoes I'll chop up, put on top of tofu scramble, for example. Carrots, put those into soups mostly. And then I've got some fruit, like just for snacking, is grapes, green or red you can get. So that is pretty much it. Like I said, I already got a bunch of starches and different things run out at different times. So, but right now I'm in this phase of pasta. What else? So I use crushed tomatoes, fire roasted tomatoes, and tomato paste in my sauce. Stir fries, chili I made yesterday, that Indian food with the tofu and the chickpeas, soups, rice vermicelli noodles, but a bunch of veggies thrown in, kale and mixed broccoli, cauliflower, peas. I've got edamame in the freezer, blueberries and raspberries and stuff like that on the cereal mostly. I let them defrost in the fridge. So hope that gives you guys a good idea. I just like to share what I eat every once in a while, and let me know what you think. See you guys.